So we're out here right now at a car show down in southern San Diego, near the border almost, in Otay Mesa area, where there's a car show that's huge, man. I don't know if you can see the cars back here, but I'll definitely have some aerial shots later that you can see. But there's everything from tuners, a Subaru in its natural habitat. Completely custom cars like this one right here. And behind me they have a huge slide back there for all the kids to slide down. Now this is a toy drive and there's a bunch of people dropping off toys. It's always a good cause. And my coworker Saul has his truck here and he's with his club Swift, and they all have amazingly good custom cars, amazing paint jobs that aren't just wraps. Here's some footage of what's going on. The cars that are here are absolutely ridiculous. Some of the paint jobs are so detailed that you can't see everything in one go. You really have to stare and look at all the intricate little marks and the swirls and everything to really appreciate the actual art that went into it. Even though it's not my scene, it's something I definitely appreciate. So let's keep on looking at more cars.